What's up, guys? What's good? Do you know how to beatbox bubble popping? It's my favorite sound. Yeah, I'm having too much fun. I don't know how to get distracted, so let's teach you guys how to do it. So it's pretty easy. It's just 2 steps. Step 1. This is your lips. Put your fingers. Put your lower lip down, and then just release like this. I will say that this is going to take practice. Step 2, gotta practice. Well, it's not going to sound like it will probably just sound like for a good second, but once you do get it down, you can do this. Well, there you guys. It's pretty easy. And also, thanks for watching my bubble popping sound tutorial. I hope you guys get it and practice. If there's any more sounds you want me to teach you, comment down below.